Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see Aquarius. What's coming to you June 1 to 15, 2024. You have the Ace of Swords, a form of communication. Maaring merong mag-reach out sa'yo to talk to you, to gustong maging clear lahat ng mga bagay na naging malabo sa inyo. This can also mean a new idea. So, maaring meron kang creative ideas this first half ng June. Let's see what else. You have the High Priestess. It seems like there's a confession, no? Pwedeng may magsasalita or magsasabi ng totoong nararamdaman niya na tinatago niya for quite a while. You have the Six of Swords. Moving on, moving forward. Kung kayo ay nanggaling sa isang conflict with someone, so you are moving forward, parang umiiwas ka na sa gulo. And you want to focus on your career, developing your life, developing yourself. It's like parang meron kang matutuklasan, like a truth coming out, okay? Na yung katotohanan na yon will lead you to move on and move forward, to focus more on what is important sa iyo. Okay? This can mean sa trabaho na you realize na hindi ka na pala ganun kasaya or kasatisfied sa trabaho na yan, and you want to explore other options, other opportunities, especially in business. So, in terms of relationship naman, maaring meron kang na-realize about a person na hindi mo pala gusto yung kanyang ugali, no? Na maaring iiwasan mo na lang. You may be walking away from this person, can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's see the energies of your money, career, finances. You have the Four of Swords. So, meron ditong magbabakasyon muna. Baka magpa-file kayo ng leave of absence to spend more time with your kids, to pursue your dreams, your goals. Para kasi yung iba, hindi kayo na ganun ka-contento sa situation nyo, sa career ninyo, so sources of income ninyo, and you want to pursue something na mas relaxed, mas nag-e-enjoy kayo. Yung Ace of Wands, on new beginning, new opportunities. Parang meron ka natuklasan na bagong option, no? To create more money, to create abundance in your life. Pwedeng unconventional to, yung tipong hindi siya yung pangkaraniwan na papasok ka sa trabaho, then uuwi, and then susweldo. It's more on tapping to your potentials, to your skills, to your talents. Maring na-realize mo na, teka, hindi ako tatanda sa ganitong industry na puro trabaho na lang, because you also want to enjoy life, no? You also want to go out, have fun, and explore. Sa love life naman, you have the Eight of Wands, the Devil, o yung iba sa inyo Aquarius, merong mga flirty messages, no? So yung tipong magsisend ng message sa'yo, telling you na you are attractive, or magpaparamdam, magpapahaging. Oo, so there's some sort of temptation around you. So if you are in a relationship, syempre you have to be careful, no? Lalo na kung you are already committed, or the person that you're dealing with committed na rin. So it may bring some challenges in your relationship. But for some of you, if you are in a toxic situation right now, I feel like you are freeing yourself. Parang aalis ka sa isang toxic situation dahil gusto mo ng pagbabago, no? With the death card here, you want to enjoy freedom. Gusto mong makawala sa isang relationship na nililimitahan ka sa mga potentials mo. Out of jealousy, meron din ditong obsess, no? Obsess sa'yo, lagi nakabantay. So, you may be dealing with a Capricorn or a Scorpio. Wow, prosperity it is. Money is coming in. So, yung mga trinabaho nyo, pinaghirapan nyo, in-effortan nyo na trabaho, business, career, this will bring prosperity, abundance in your life. Yung talagang para kang nag-alaga ng mga halaman. Tapos, syempre, it's season, no? Yung iba, namumunga by season. So, ito yung, harvest season para sa'yo. You are also healing from your past. Healing from the trauma that you have experienced. Lalo na kung galing ka sa isang toxic situation. Ayan, victory. You are going to celebrate for the freedom na meron ka. So, this can apply sa isang toxic situation, career, business, or relationship na you've healed from that and now you will feel better dahil mas at ease ka na, mas hawak mo na yung future mo, mas nakakagalaw ka na ngayon, mas nakakadiskarte ka na kung saang landas. Anong landas yung gusto mong tahakin ngayon? Some of you, meron kayong mga recognition na marireceive sa career, sa trabaho nyo. You will be recognized by a lot of people. Pwedeng may fame din rito, no? Kayo ay sikat. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, content creator. So, you will pursue yung mga trabaho na unconventional na mas hawak nyo yung inyong oras. Wala kayong boss. Becoming self-employed. Let's see what else. Aquarius. Bodybuilder. Ayan. So, magpo-focus rin kayo sa pagpapalakas ng inyong pangangatawan. Oo. Total discipline. Kung kayo ay may goals, mga body goals, gagawin niyo yung best ninyo. You will bring in structure in your life para magawa nyo talaga yung dapat yung gawin sa gym. Or yung yung mga routine. And even yung eating habits ninyo. Mas disiplinado kayo ngayon. So, meron ditong sudden anxiety, pressure. So, maaaring meron mga taong nagpe-pressure sa'yo na, uy, gawin mo to, or dapat ganito ka na after this few months. So, alam mo, work at your own pace, no? Kumbaga, kung ano lang yung kaya mo, manageable, and at the same time, alam mo na magbibigay rin ng resulta sa'yo, then, okay na yun, no? Hindi mo kailangang magpa-pressure sa ibang tao. Although may mga pagkakataon na pe-pressure tayo, pero kasi the more na nape-pressure tayo, na-frustrate tayo, nasa-stress tayo, and it's not good for our health, no? Yeah, you are moving on. Merong cycle na natatapos sa inyo. So, if this is a relationship, you are ready to move on. May healing na, oh. Yung iba sa inyo, lilipat pa kayo ng bahay, ng trabaho, ng tirahan. Kasi part yan ng pag-move on ninyo. You are holding things together. You are setting boundaries. Hindi mo nahahayaan na ikaw ay ma-take advantage ng ibang tao. You are protecting your energies. You are protecting yourself. This is not your practice life. Decide. What is your inner voice telling you about the dream in your heart? O ayun na nga, yung passion nyo. Ito na yung time na kailangan mo nang i-consider kung masaya ka ba sa ginagawa mo ngayon. May ginagawa ka bang action para mapunta ka doon sa desired life na gusto mo, no? So, I think yung iba sa inyo susundin nyo yung inyong instinct. Yung sinasabi ng puso nyo where you should be going. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!